From 100 kilos debut to breaking Bollywood's beauty stereotypes, Bhumi Pednekar's transformation isn't just about losing weight. It's about finding herself, but behind the glamour and glow up lies a journey filled with rolling, overexertion, and a fight to redefine what fitness truly means. Hey everyone, this is Shruti, and you're watching Indore Nerd, your daily dose of Bollywood and Hollywood series stories that go beyond the headlines. If you love stories about the stars who redefine success, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of film nerds. When movie Badnakar entered Bollywood with Dum Laga Ke Haisha back in 2015, she weighed around 100 kilos and yet she won hearts, applause, and a Filmfare Award for breaking her every beauty stereotype that the industry had scared. Since then, her transformation, physical, mental, and emotional, has been the talk of the town. But Bhumi's journey isn't the fairy tale, glow up story people imagine. She admits that the battle with the body image is ongoing one. I feel that doesn't ever go right. She confessed recently, explaining that growing up surrounded by comments about looks leaves deep marks. She shared that her focus now is balance. Earlier, Bhumi pushed her body too hard, exercising without rest until she hit a point of overexertion. Today, she trains smarter, not harder. She says she works out only about 20% of what she used to do, but does it with more mindfulness and care. For her, fitness isn't about size, it's about mental clarity and feeling strong from within. Bhumis, who's learned how to handle trolls, whether she was 96 kilos or 65, opinions never stopped. There were comments then. There are comments now, she said, admitting that being in the public eye means you can't please everyone. But her response now, it's my body. I will do what I want. She stopped weighing herself, doesn't obsess over numbers, and believes true wellness comes from treating your body kindly. She is also vocal about breaking the taboo around beauty, treatments, and self care, saying that everyone should have freedom to choose what makes them feel confident. Recently, Bhumi joined the Sketchers community goal challenge in Delhi, where participants collectively ran 1000 kilometers, resulting in 100 pairs of children's shoes being donated to an NGO. For her, it was about connecting fitness with purpose, proving that wellness can be about community too. And while she continues her journey of growth, Bhumi hinted that she's got a big things coming up. Next year, you will see me on screen 3 or 4 times. She teased without revealing titles. Though it all, one thing is clear, Bhumi Pednakar's transformation is more than skin depth. It's a story about resilience, boundaries, and redefining beauty on her own terms. So, what do you think about Bhumi's journey? Do you believe Bollywood is finally becoming more accepting of real body stories? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indori Nerd for more such honest